Here's a smoothie. I'm going to give you the recipe. It's delicious and nutritious, and you might be surprised by what's making it so nutritious that you'd really think, I don't think I want that in a smoothie, but it's really good, and you won't taste the part that's super nutritious. To make this smoothie, and this is just one serving, I'm going to put in a half a cup of cold filtered water and a half a cup of frozen blueberries. These were previously frozen. You can buy them in the bag at the grocery store. I freeze them when I buy them at the farmer's market in the summer. And I rinse them after they're frozen, right before I'm going to use them. So half a cup. And then the surprising ingredient is the equivalent of 1 cup of chopped fresh broccoli. This is not frozen. And then the last ingredient is a frozen banana. I show in other videos on my channel how to freeze a banana. You peel it first, and then you break it into 2 or 3 pieces and put it into a Ziploc freezer bag. Pop it in the freezer, and now it's ready. And I'm going to put that in here. And now we'll blend it up. All right, it's done, and here we go. It's a delicious smoothie. You won't even taste the broccoli.